Hello and welcome to my channel PAM'S Station. Today I'm going to share with you 10 shades of NYP nail polish. So let's get started. These nail paints are lead free, they are vegan and toxicity free. They have creamy finish and full coverage, and these dries up very quickly. These nail paints have high color payoff, single stroke application, long lasting and consistent shades. They have so many shades, and today I'm sharing you the 10 my favorite pink shades and nude shades. So do let me know in a comment section which shade did you like the best. The first shade was Pepperoni Pizza and this second shade is Bistro Hamburger. It's a beautiful nude pink tone shade. It's like light pink. I like the shade as well. The third shade is Pancake. It is little white and a hint of grey shade in it. The next is Veggies on Rice. It's a beautiful greenish kind of shade, light green, and this is a matte finish. This shade is Pastrami on Ray. It's in pink kind of shade, dark pink shade. This shade is Eclairs, which comes in purple shade, but this is also transparent. So it is where in one application it looks transparent, but shining. The particles are there with little hint of purple. This is Waldorf Salad, which is into maroon wine kind of shade, maroonish color, and it will look in also good in any Indian skin tone. So this is also a beautiful shade for if you want something to apply dark in festival. This is really good for it. Will go in any of your outfits. This is beautiful grey shade, Oysters and Pearls. I love this shade. It looks beautiful if you're a working woman or if you're going to college. So this is really nice, nudish grey shade. The next is Barbecue Ribs. This is also one of my favorite. This is very light nude pink shade, which in one application also it looks nice, and if you want to make it a little dark you can apply 2 or 3 application. It looks beautiful. Next is Soup Dumpling. This is transparent. There is no color, and when I ordered I didn't knew that this is transparent. I thought it would be a grey, but then in some days when you don't feel like applying nail polish, so you can use this nail polish, Soup Dumpling number 4, transparent, and the last 3 fingers I've applied over the nail polish, and the first 2 is without the Soup Dumpling, so that is shining and this is less shining. So I hope you enjoyed watching this BAE nail polish swatches. Please do let me know in the comment section which one did you like it, and do share this video to all your friends. Take care, bye bye.